In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post longer Instagram stories in 2025 using sequential clips and smart editing. Instagram still caps each story video at 60 seconds, and if your clip is longer, the app will cut it off or automatically split it. The key to increasing your story length is to string multiple stories together. You can post up to 100 in a row, which gives you plenty of room to tell a complete, seamless narrative. Start by splitting long videos manually before you upload them. Open your phone's built-in photo editor or a simple editor like CapCut and divide your footage into clean 60-second segments. Save each segment in order so you don't lose track. When every piece is ready, upload each one as a separate story. This gives you full control over where transitions happen and prevents awkward mid-sentence cuts. You can also upload multiple clips directly. Record or select your content, post the first 60-second clip, then immediately add the next one from your gallery. Instagram will chain them together so viewers experience them as a smooth sequence. Keep an eye on visual continuity, match framing, lighting, and audio levels, so the flow feels intentional. To extend the narrative without hitting video limits, insert photos between your clips. Still images auto-display for 7 seconds each, which adds breathing room and helps emphasize key moments, quotes, or calls to action. If 7 seconds feels long, you can tap the timer and shorten that display to keep the momentum. Before posting, preview and adjust. Tap the timer icon on each clip to set custom durations up to 15 seconds when you want snappier moments. Shorter segments often boost retention, so trim pauses and front-load your hook in the first 3 seconds. As you refine your pacing, think about how each cut earns the viewer's attention for the next one. For performance, keep most clips in the 5 to 15 second range and test what works using Instagram Insights. Look for drop-off points and tighten those areas in your next sequence. Consistency matters, so aim for clear storytelling, legible on-screen text, and clean audio. A quick warning: avoid third-party tools that promise unlimited story lengths. They can violate Instagram's terms and put your account at risk of restrictions or bans. The safest, most reliable approach is splitting, sequencing, and previewing exactly as shown. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.